I'm Kashish from 8th standard. Today we learn types of matrix. Is means what? Matrix is an order rectangular array of numbers and functions, and the numbers and functions are called elements or entries of matrix. Means that this is a rectangular array in which the numbers or functions are present, and these numbers and functions are called elements or entries of matrix. Then order of matrix. Order of matrix means a matrix having m rows and n columns is said to be a order of matrix. We write the order of matrix in this form m into n. For example, we have to write the order of this matrix. So, the number of rows multiplied by the columns, and we write the order of this matrix in this form. M denoted for rows and n denoted for columns, and we write the order of this matrix in here. So the number of columns here 3, so we write here 3 into the number of columns here 2. So the order of this matrix is 3 in column matrix. Column matrix means it has only a one column, means a matrix which have only one column, like that. Here the matrix is given, and in this matrix there is only one column was present. So it known as the column matrix. And we also write the order of this matrix. So the order of this matrix is 3 into 1. We take another example like 4, 3 or 1 by 2. So this is our another matrix. In this matrix also the one column was present. So it known as the column matrix. We also write the order of this. So the order of this 1, 3 into 1. Next type is row matrix. In row matrix is means what? It has only a one row. Like that. In this matrix, like this matrix have only a one row. Is means row matrix. Which matrix have only a one row, that known as the row matrix. We also write the order of this matrix. So the order of this matrix is 1 into 3. Row matrix is same as the column matrix, but the difference is that in column matrix the matrix have only a one column. In row matrix a matrix have only a one row. Next type is square matrix. Square matrix means that the numbers of columns and rows are equal. For example, this is our matrix, and in this matrix the numbers of columns here 3, 1, 2 and 3, and the number of rows here 3. The matrix which have the same numbers of columns and same numbers of rows, that known as the square matrix. It means that the order of this is equal. Only we write here only 3. We don't write here 3 into 3 because our notation is m into n. That's why we write here only 3, and the order of this matrix is equal. That's why we write only here 3. And when the order of this, when the columns numbers are different and rows numbers are different, then we write here like that. But the columns number and the rows number are same, that's why I write here only 3. Next is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means that, and for diagonal matrix we first know what is diagonal. Suppose this is a square box, and the square box have a diagonal. And in this matrix we write the number in this form. So the definition of diagonal matrix is if all non-diagonal elements are 0. For example, this is our diagonal matrix. We write the diagonal elements in diagonal form, and which are non-diagonal elements we write their 0. That means the diagonal matrix. And we write here the numbers only In diagonal elements means 1, 2 or negative numbers or in root, and another remain was we write the 0. So the scalar matrix means what? The diagonal elements are equal. It is same as the diagonal matrix, but in diagonal matrix we say the diagonal elements are different, and in scalar matrix here the diagonal elements are same. This is our diagonal elements. So in which matrix the diagonal elements are equal, that known as the scalar matrix. Identity matrix. Identity matrix means that the diagonal elements are all 1 and rest of the 0. So the identity matrix means that the diagonal elements are all 1 and rest of the 0. Means it is same as the scalar matrix, but here we write the diagonal elements only 1 and rest of the 0. In which matrix we write the diagonal elements always 1 or all are 1, so it means the identity matrix. It is same as the scalar matrix, but the difference is that in scalar matrix we write here the same number but not a 1. We write all numbers as the same, but we not write here 1. And here in identity matrix we write in the matrix the diagonal elements are equal and they are always 1. Our last type is zero matrix. Zero matrix is very easy matrix. The elements are only 0 in the matrix. So zero matrix means a